Today I'm going to teach you how to get started, how to cast on. A lot of people say that this is the part that they're not familiar with, that they don't know how to do. It is really quite simple, but there are lots of different ways to do it. So I'm going to teach you the way that I know that's the most simple way. If you know a different way, feel free to use that. So we start off with the end of the wool and we're going to make a slip knot. So if you put it across your two fingers like this, wrap around, and then at the back you'll need to tuck under where you've got a loop now, and then pull that tight. So this bit of string that's attached to the ball of wool, if you pull on that, that should make it tighter. If that doesn't work, then you've got it backwards and you just need to start again. And then you're going to put your knitting needle through that loop and pull it tight. You don't want this too tight. You want to be able to move this freely up and down your needle as you go, but also not too loose because you don't want it to be too big. So just on there, you can see it moves freely, not too tight, not too loose. And then this short end, you'll want to tuck under in your right hand. I'm right-handed, so I do it all this way. If you're left-handed, you'll need to do it the opposite. So tuck that up so you don't get confused. Bring that to the end. And then with your left hand, your free hand, you want to put the wool over your hand and then make a fist. So you're holding it, keep your thumb out of the way like a thumbs up. And then you're gonna drop your thumb underneath and pull it back away from you. So you've kind of got like an arrow here. Take the tip of your needle and pull the string upwards, then down again. And then that makes a loop. Again, you'll want to pull that, but not too tight because you need to move it up and down. So I'll show you that again. Hold it in your hand, make your thumbs up and wrap that round. So you've got kind of like an arrow with the wool, and then go up, down, and pull it off your thumb, and then your loop is there. It might take a few attempts to get it right, but once you have the hang of it, it is really, really simple. And you'll want to follow the pattern and put on as many stitches. So each of these little loops are called the stitches, and the pattern will tell you exactly how many you need to start with. And this is what you're going to then knit into as you get started making your own woolly hat. If you think you've done it wrong, if for some reason these loops aren't adjusting, then you can just pop it off and pull the stitch out and try again. It's really quite simple. So we just keep going until we have as many as our pattern tells us to. And just one more, a bit slower so you can see again. So we hold the wool in our hand, make a fist around it, but keep your thumb up. Then you're going to wrap that around your thumb. So you've sort of got like an arrow, and then go up, down, and you should have a little loop there, and take your thumb out and just pull that tight, but not too tight. So up, down, and pull, up, down, and pull. So each row is done, and then you'll move your working needle back to your, I use my left hand because I'm right-handed, and then once all the stitches are on the right needle, then you swap hands to do the next row.